children. Hello, good morning everybody. Welcome to our channel Smart Study. After long days we are meeting. See here, today I am going to discuss the paper of first, second, third and fourth lessons. Okay? See here. First bit, what is there? Hard words. First one is what, Nana? Carnivores. Okay, what is the spelling of carnivores? See here I am writing Carnivores. Carnivores. Okay, this is the spelling of the carnivores. Again I am repeating it. Carnivores. Carnivores. Second one is what? Gnawing. What is the spelling of gnawing? Gnawing. Gnawing. Again I am saying, here I am writing, see, Gnawing. Gnawing. This is the spelling of the gnawing. Third one is what, Nana? First aid. Yes or no? What is the spelling of first aid? First. First aid. AID. This is the spelling of the first aid. FIRST first and AID aid. First aid. Next one. Humus. Fourth one is what? Humus. 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 Okay. HUMUS. Humus. Fifth one is what? Loamy. 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 Okay. Fifth one is what? Loamy. 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 Now moving to the next B bit. Choose the correct answer. See here I am reading the question. First question is what, Anna? Which of the following is a domestic animal? Hyena, cow, elephant. What is the answer? Cow is a domestic animal. So B is the answer. Second one. A frog has a long tube, teeth, sticky tongue. Which is the answer, Nana? C. Sticky tongue is the answer. Moving to the third one. This food prevents us from falling ill. Orange, ghee, butter. What is the answer? Orange. Yes or no? Orange will prevent us from falling the ill. Next one. Moving to the next page. Fourth bit. I am zooming it. Wait for a while. See here. Yes. What is the fourth question, Nana? Wheat is an example of this food. Wheat is example of which food? Bodybuilding or energy giving or protective food? Energy giving is the answer. Wheat is an example of what? Energy giving food. Okay. Fifth one. Earthworms are found here. Snow, water, soil. Where do we find the earthworms? In the soil. So in soil we find the earthworm. So option C is the right answer for the fifth question. Next, moving to the sixth question. Soil is formed due to this. What? Breaking of wood or breaking of rocks or none of this? Breaking of rocks is the answer. Yes or no? By breaking the rocks, soil will be formed. Yes. Now moving to the C bit, that is fill in the blanks. See here, what is the first question? The sharp hollow teeth of a snake are called dash. What is the name of the sharp teeth of a snake, Nana? Fangs. What is the spelling of fangs? FANGS. So what is the spelling of fangs? FANGS. Fangs. Okay. Second one. A fox is a dash as it feeds the remains of the dead animal. What is a fox, Nana? The animals which eat the remains of the dead animals is called as what I told for you? Scavengers. Yes or no? What is the spelling of scavenger? SCAVENGER. So a fox is a scavenger as it feeds on the remains of the dead animals. Yes or no? Third one. Eating excess of dash can spoil our teeth. By eating over what? Sweets, sugar foods, I told no. So eating excess of, here you can write sweets or sugar foods. Anything you can write. So eating excess of sweets or sugar foods can spoil our teeth. Yes or no? Yes. What is the spelling of sweets? SWEETS. Okay. Fourth one. Never touch an electrical switch with dash hands. With which hands we should not touch the electrical switch? Wet hands. So what is the spelling of wet? WET. Yes or no? Spelling of wet is WET. Fifth one, cactus grows in dash soil. In which type of soil cactus plants grows, Nana? In sandy soil. Ushka antam kada. So SANDY is the spelling of sandy. So cactus grows in sandy soil. Sixth one, soil is home to many dash. Soil is home to many what? Animals. Small animals like what? Rabbit, ants will live in the soil, right? Earthworms. So soil is home to many small animals or simply animals also you can write. Okay, this is the answer, animals. Now we have finished fill in the blanks. Next, moving to the true or false. See, your first question is what, Nana? The long sucking tube of a bee is called proboscis. Yes, it is true, yes or no? The long sucking tube of a bee is called proboscis only, no? Yes, so the answer is what? True. If it is true, I am writing as T. If it is false, I am writing as F. Okay. Second one, the horse is an omnivorous animal. No, false. Horse will eat what? Grass. So it is a herbivorous animal but not omnivorous animal. Omnivorous means it will eat the plants and the animals also. But horse will not eat the animals. It will eat only grass. So horse is a herbivorous animal but they have given here omnivorous. So answer is false. I kept here F. Third one, we should be alert not to hurt any living being while we play. Yes or no? While we are playing, we should not hurt any the living being. It is true. So I am writing here as what? T. True is the answer. Fourth one, eating papaya regular keeps us healthy. Yes or no? If you eat papaya regularly, you will be healthy or not? Yes, absolutely right. So I am writing here T. True is the answer. Fifth one, the temperature deep inside the earth is very high. Yes or no? Inside the earth, the temperature will be very high, right? So it is correct. So answer is what? True. T I am writing. Last one, sandy soil has a lot of humus in it. Is it true? No. False. Yes or no? Humus means what? All the dead plants and animals. In which type of soil it will be there? More in loamy soil but not in the sandy soil. So they have given sandy soil has a lot of humus in it. It is false. So I am writing here what, Nana? False. F. So what are our answers? First one is true, second one is false, third, fourth, fifth, three are true and the last one is the false. Yes or no? Now moving to the next bit, E bit. See here. I am zooming. Wait for 1 minute. Sixth bit is what, Nana? Match the following. What? First one is what? Left side some options they have given us and right side some options are there and we need to match each other. Yes or no? First one is what? Scavenger. What is meant by scavenger? The animals which eat the remains of the dead animals. So vulture, hyena, fox, all this comes under the scavenger. So here hyena is there. So first option comes under the E. Hyena. I am writing here E. First answer is E. Second one is what, Nana? Omnivore. That means which eats both the plants and animals. Bear is there, option C. Bear will eat the plants and it also eat the animals. So second answer is C. Now moving to the third one, loamy soil. Loamy soil will contain lots of humus. Yes or no? So third option is what? A is our answer. Loamy soil contains lot of humus. Yes or no? Fourth one, gravel. Gravel means what? Small stones. So fourth answer is what? F. F is the answer. Fourth one is F. Fifth one is what, Nana? Bodybuilding food. What is the bodybuilding food here? Apple or soya bean? Soya bean is the bodybuilding food. So fifth answer is what? D. And the last one, protective food means what? Apple. So sixth answer goes to B, that is apple. Okay. All answers I am writing here. You see, first one is E. Next one is C, third is A. It is confusing here, no? That's why I am writing here. Fourth one is F, fifth one is D, sixth one is B. These are your answers. Okay. Now moving to the last bit, question answers. What are the three types of soils? What are the three types of soils, Nana? I have told you. First one is the sandy soil. Spelling is what? SANDY, sandy. Second one is what? Loamy, LOAMY. And the third type of soil is what? Clay soil. Bankamatti antam kada. So CLAYEY. I am not writing here whole because I am not having much space. You should write like this: sandy soil, loamy soil and clayey soil are the 3 types of soil. Next one, name 2 things which children should do only in the presence of adults. I can't write here whole, but just I will say for you. So while using the scissors, yes or no, scissors, knives, that time your parents or your sisters or brothers, that means adults must be there near you, okay, because you don't know how to use them. So if they are there in front of you, they will guide you how to use. And even while bursting the crackers also, okay, when you are bursting the crackers, if your parents are there, they will tell you, yes or no. So these type of works when you do, the adults must be there definitely in front of you. Third one, what does the size and shape of the teeth of the animals depend upon? What did I told? The size and shape of the teeth of the animals depends upon what, Nana? Feeding habits. Yes or no means what they will eat, all those, okay. Feeding habits. F-E-E-D-I-N-G, feeding, remember. F afterwards double E are there. F-E-E-D, feed, I-N-G, feeding. Habit spelling is you already know, H-A-B-I-T-S, habits. And last one is what? Draw first aid kit and neatly name the parts. Suppose if you draw the scissors, first you draw the first aid kit, scissors are there you need to write scissors. If injection is there, you should write their injection. Tablets are there, they should draw the picture of tablets and write their tablets, like that, okay. By this we completed our paper, and the next class I will start the 5th lesson, Nana. Thank you, and if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel, Smart Study. Thank you.